Look what you guys make us do. School supplies distribution and welcome to
Ya, chinilas ko din.
Salamat Sir Tato and sponsors. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Balik-balik sir.
Balik, sir.
Hi, thank you sir.
Hello. Thank you so much sa mga sponsor. May God bless you even more.
Love, love, love! We would like to thank our sponsors. Daghang salamat sa imong live. God sees what you do in secret. Sa Lalayan Elementary School teachers, daghang salamat. We all did a great job. Praise the Lord. Mag-amping ka.